Thank you.
How do you pronounce your last name? Is it Rosenstein or Rosenstein?
So there's no right answer to that question. My family, my father pronounces it Stein. That's how I pronounce it. But I actually have relatives who pronounce it Steen, so I'll answer to either one. Yes. Yeah, they can't even resist leaking their own drafts.
Would you care to elaborate on that?
I saw that draft. I mean, I don't know who wrote it. It really does illustrate, though, a really important principle about the rule of law and a distinction between the way we operate in the department. And we make mistakes. That's not to say we're flawless. But the way we operate in the Department of Justice, if we're going to accuse somebody of wrongdoing, we have to have admissible evidence and credible witnesses. We need to be prepared to prove our case in court. And we have to affix our signature to the charging document. That's something that not everybody appreciates. And Mrs. Powell asked him, Dr. Frank, there have been people who have been making threats privately and publicly against me for quite some time. And I think they should understand by now the Department of Justice is not going to be extorted. We're going to do what's required by the rule of law. And any kind of threats that anybody makes are not going to affect the way we do our job. We have a responsibility. And we take an oath. That's the whole point.
The Constitution comes with a condition.
We're reviewing that. This policy that Ron is referring to has been modified over the years, most recently, I guess about 4 years ago. And there have been some concerns that a number of our prosecutors have raised about aspects of the policy. The policy actually does give reporters special privileges because it protects them from subpoenas. It requires elevated approval within the department and provides certain procedural protections that don't exist for non-reporters. And so there are some aspects of it that we are evaluating. We've actually we have an organization of media representatives that come in and meet with me every 4 or 5 months or so. And so we discuss proposed changes with them. We haven't made any changes, but it's possible. There are some aspects of it that we are reviewing.
We need to keep it. And you emphasize that.
That's one of the ongoing battles that we face in government, is that the media's interest is in getting our people to leak. And our interest is in preventing our people from leaking. And we respect you doing your job, but we have to do our job. Well, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.